So sometimes you have some files, and as you might know, if you select the multiple files, we can go send to a compressed zip folder. And there we go. So we double click the folder. You'll see the stuff is in here. Now sometimes if you're on a work computer or for some weird reason, when you try to extract, it doesn't work and you just get an empty folder. The way to get around that is simple. I'm going to create a new folder. I don't care what it's called. I'm going to put the zip file in that folder, and then what you're going to do, go up here to the bar where the address is, type cmd and hit enter. There you go. Now you just type tar and space and then put -xf for extract file, and then if you have just one file in there, you can just push tab. It'll auto-complete the name, and you push enter, and there you go. It has extracted the files. And obviously make sure, because it's going to take just the files that are right inside, it's going to extract them right out. As you can see, we can read the text I wrote in there. It's all extracted. So just make sure you have this zip file already inside the folder where you want all the files to be exploded out into, otherwise you could have a big mess.